Today, we're going to explore the truth about intermittent fasting for seniors. If you've been curious about fasting, wondering whether it's safe for your age, or simply looking for ways to improve your energy, metabolism, and overall health, this video is for you. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that we also have a private senior health community where you can connect with other seniors, ask questions, and receive guidance. And don't forget to download our free PDF guide on intermittent fasting for seniors on our website. Let's start by understanding what intermittent fasting really is. Many people think of fasting as simply skipping meals or going hungry, but it's much more than that. Intermittent fasting is actually a pattern of eating, where you alternate between periods of eating and periods of fasting. For seniors, this practice can have unique benefits like helping regulate blood sugar, supporting heart health, improving energy, and even aiding in weight management. But it's important to approach fasting thoughtfully because seniors have different nutritional needs and metabolic responses than younger adults. Take Margaret, for example, a 68-year-old retired nurse. She decided to try a gentle 12-hour fasting window, eating between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. At first, she felt unsure about skipping breakfast, but within a week, she noticed that she had more stable energy throughout the day and wasn't reaching for sugary snacks in the afternoon. Margaret's experience shows how even modest fasting windows can make a difference without feeling extreme or restrictive. Now, there are different fasting schedules you might consider. Some seniors prefer the 16 to 8 method, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. Others try 12 to 12, which is gentler and can be easier to sustain. There's also the 5 to 2 approach, where you eat normally 5 days a week and reduce calories significantly for 2 non-consecutive days. Each approach has its benefits, but the key is to choose one that fits your lifestyle and energy needs. Tom, a 72-year-old retiree, found that the 12 to 12 method was perfect for him. He could enjoy breakfast and lunch, skip a late-night snack, and still feel energized for his daily walks. The method he chose balanced social life, family dinners, and exercise, proving that fasting doesn't have to disrupt your routines. As we explore fasting, it's also essential to understand the science behind it. One of the most talked about benefits is autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and recycling them for energy. Think of it like a spring cleaning for your cells. For seniors, this process can support healthy aging, help maintain muscle tissue, and even improve brain function. Barbara, 66, shared that after a few months of intermittent fasting, paired with regular resistance training, she noticed her balance and strength improved. She felt lighter, more energized, and her doctor confirmed healthy markers in her blood work. But fasting isn't just about when you eat, it's also about what you eat. During your eating window, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide protein, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Lean proteins like fish, poultry, eggs, and plant-based options help preserve muscle mass. Healthy fats from avocado, olive oil, and nuts provide sustained energy. Vegetables and fruits supply antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support overall cellular health. Seniors need to be especially mindful about protein intake because maintaining muscle mass is crucial for mobility and independence. Helen, 70, makes a point to include a protein-rich meal right after her morning fast. She mixes eggs, spinach, and a handful of nuts, which not only satisfies her hunger, but also keeps her energized through her volunteer work in the afternoons. Hydration is another key factor. During fasting periods, it's easy to forget to drink enough water. Seniors are particularly susceptible to dehydration, which can affect kidney function, digestion, and even cognitive health. Herbal teas, sparkling water, and infused water are excellent ways to stay hydrated. Margaret discovered that sipping chamomile tea in the late morning helped her feel full and relaxed without breaking her fast. Simple strategies like this can make fasting more comfortable and sustainable. Exercise also plays a critical role. Fasting combined with physical activity can enhance cardiovascular health, maintain muscle mass, and improve insulin sensitivity. However, timing matters. For many seniors, light to moderate exercise during fasting, such as walking or gentle yoga, is ideal. Resistance training or strength building workouts can be scheduled during eating windows to support muscle recovery. Tom pairs his mid-morning walk with a smoothie afterward, giving his body fuel and protein for muscle repair while still enjoying the benefits of fasting. It's also important to consider medical conditions and medications. Seniors taking blood sugar medications, blood pressure medications, or other prescription drugs should consult their doctor before starting any fasting routine. Safety always comes first, and adjustments may be needed to avoid hypoglycemia or other complications. One of the biggest advantages of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. You can experiment and adjust your window to suit your energy levels, social activities, and lifestyle. Margaret, Tom, and Barbara all approached fasting differently, yet each found a routine that worked for them. This demonstrates that fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what helps you feel strong, energetic, and healthy. As we wrap up, remember that fasting isn't a quick fix or a strict diet. It's a lifestyle adjustment that, when done thoughtfully, can support healthier aging, more energy, and better overall health. Your body needs nutrient-dense meals, adequate hydration, regular movement, and sufficient rest to fully benefit from fasting. By incorporating fasting into your routine in a sustainable way, you can improve your health and vitality for years to come. Don't forget to join our private senior health community for more tips, guidance, and support from peers who are also exploring fasting. And be sure to download our free PDF guide on intermittent fasting for seniors from our website, which includes sample schedules, meal ideas, and strategies to help you succeed safely and effectively. Thank you for watching today. Take the time to explore intermittent fasting safely, listen to your body, and embrace a lifestyle that supports your strength, energy, and independence. I'll see you next time.